Hello friends, today we are going to learn the NCERT questions of chapter number 4 metals and non-metals. Question number 1, which of the following can be beaten into thin sheets? Answer, zinc. Question number 2, which of the following statements is correct? Part C, generally metals are ductile. Question number 3. Fill in the blanks. Phosphorus is a very reactive non-metal. Part B. Metals are good conductor of heat and electricity. Part C. Iron is more reactive than copper. Part D. Metal react with acids to produce hydrogen gas. Question number 4. Mark T if the statement is true and F if it is false. Part A. Generally, non-metals react with acids. False. Sodium is a very reactive metal. True. Part C. Copper displaces zinc from zinc sulfate solution. False. Part D. Coal can be drawn into wires. False. Question number 5. Some properties are listed in the following table. Distinguish between metals and non-metals on the basis of these properties. Answer, appearance. Metals have metallic luster. Non-metals are dull. Hardness. Metals hard. Non-metals soft. Third, malleability. Metals malleable. Non-metals non-malleable. Fourth, ductility. Metals are ductile. Non-metals are non-ductile. Heat conduction. Metals good conductor. Non-metals bad conductor. Sixth, conduction of electricity. Metals good conductors. Non-metals bad conductors or insulators. Question number 6. Give reasons for the following. Part A. Aluminium foil is used to wrap food items because aluminium is highly malleable and it can be easily beaten into sheets to make its foil for wrapping purposes. It is also soft and does not react with food items. That is why aluminium foils are used to wrap food items. Part B. Immersion rods for heating liquids are made up of metallic substances because metals are good conductors of heat and electricity. They get hot very soon on the passage of electric current and warm the water. Part C. Copper cannot displace zinc from its salt solution because copper is less reactive than zinc, so it cannot displace zinc from its solution. Part D. Sodium and potassium are stored in kerosene because they are highly reactive. Question number 7. Can you store the lemon pickle in an aluminium utensil? Explain. Answer. No, we cannot store lemon pickle in an aluminium utensil because aluminium is a metal and metals readily react with acids to produce hydrogen. When aluminium comes in contact with lemon, which is acidic, would react to give hydrogen and the pickles will be spoiled. Question number 8. Match the substances given in the column A with their uses given in column B. Gold, thermometers, iron electric wire, aluminium wrapping food, carbon jewelry, copper machinery, mercury fuel. Answer is D, E, C, F, B, A. Question number 9. What happens when dilute sulfuric acid is poured on a copper plate? Answer. No reaction will take place because copper is very less reactive. Part B. Iron nails are placed in a copper sulfate solution. Write word equations of the reactions involved. Iron being more reactive than copper will replace copper from its solution, and brown coating of copper is deposited on the iron nails. Also the blue color turns green. Iron plus copper sulfate solution forms iron sulfate solution plus copper. Question number 10. Saloni took a piece of burning charcoal and collected the gas evolved in a test tube. Part A. How will she find the nature of the gas? Part B. Write down the word equations of all the reactions taking place in this process. She can find the nature of the gas by using a wet litmus paper. After bringing the litmus paper into red, it is acidic. Similarly, if we turn the red litmus into blue, it is basic. Carbon plus oxygen is equal to carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide plus lime water forms milky. Question number 11. One day Rita went to jeweler's shop with her mother. Her mother gave an old jewelry to the goldsmith to polish. Next day, when they brought the jewelry back, they found that there was a slight loss in its weight. Answer. The gold jewelry is dipped into an acidic solution called aqua regia, a mixture of hydrochloric acid and nitric acid for polishing. On dipping the gold jewelry in the acid solution, the outer layer of gold dissolves and the inner shiny layer appears. This causes a slight loss in its weight. Thank you.